Welcome back to Tech Gold Hunter. Today, we're taking apart an old Nokia phone, one of those legendary devices from the early 2000s, to find out just how much gold is hidden inside. Every electronic device, no matter how small, contains precious metals. Gold is used in connectors, chips, and circuit boards because it resists corrosion and conducts electricity perfectly. Let's start by removing the battery, back cover, and keypad. These parts don't contain gold, but we need to clear them out before reaching the motherboard, the heart of the phone. Now we can see the main board, the green circuit you see here. Those tiny golden points and connector pins are actually coated with real gold. Next, I'll carefully separate the screen module, camera, and SIM card slot. Each of these components has small contact pads, sometimes plated with a thin layer of gold. The most valuable part is usually the connector area, charging ports, SIM contacts, and the central processing chip. These contain micro traces of gold that can be recovered chemically. Here, I'm using small tools to detach the board from its metal frame. Old Nokia phones were built tough, so taking them apart takes patience. Look closely at these shiny points. These are test pads and connection surfaces where electricity flows through gold-coated layers. Now, let's remove the flex cables and antenna parts. Most of these cables use copper, but the tips that connect to the main board often have tiny golden contacts. Once everything is disassembled, the gold recovery process can begin. Professionals usually use chemical solutions to dissolve other metals and separate the gold. However, in small-scale experiments like this, it's more about learning and discovering how electronics hide precious materials inside. This old Nokia might not contain much gold, maybe only a few milligrams, but imagine millions of discarded phones worldwide. Recycling e-waste is not only about profit, but also protecting the environment and recovering valuable resources. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Tech Gold Hunter for more videos about finding gold in everyday technology.